Fixed joints. There are some bones in head that are joined together at some places. Such joints are called fixed or immovable joints. Example, joints in the skull. Partially movable joints. They allow partial movement, as can be seen in the case of vertebral column, where one vertebra meets another. Gliding joints. These joints allow only a limited amount of movement, which is also due to the sliding nature of cartilage. In these movements, the two bones slide over each other. For example, the movements in the backbone, ankle and wrist. Human skeleton. All the bones in our body form a framework to give a shape to our body. This is called skeleton. It is made up of many pieces of bones and cartilage. It gives support to the body and protects the inner delicate organs. Pelvic bones. The structure on which our body rests is made of pelvic bones. Muscles. Muscles are a mass of contractile fibers or cells capable of contracting and relaxing to produce movement. Muscles are attached to the skeleton by tendons, and most of them work in pairs. A muscle can only pull, it cannot push.